Alright guys, here's the screencast for Thursday the 8th in Uslc. Today we had a presentation. Actually, there's nothing really to show you now that I think about it here. But we had a presentation on the realism, regionalism time period. We did talk through the assignment sheet for next week because at the end of this week's assignment sheet, you would have seen that we have the realism, regionalism background pages that we were going to discuss in class today. I told you yesterday in class that we weren't going to be doing that, and so if we look ahead at next week's assignment sheet, the goal is for you guys to read the background pages for this realism, regionalism time period, as well as Abe Lincoln's Gettysburg Address by Monday. If you can be prepared for that discussion, that'd be awesome. We got a slideshow that will show you too, but really it's background material for realism, regionalism, as well as our discussion of Abe Lincoln and his really famous speech. On Tuesday, we've got lit terms, the worksheet, and then a quiz number 2. We'll talk about Gatsby a little bit, and then we're going to hit on Whitman and Dickinson is the plan Wednesday and Thursday of next week before we get you to your long weekend. Sorry you missed us today. Have a great day. Thanks for your time.